Hey there, check out the FLYJOE floating shelves for wall. Crafted from solid ash wood with a beautiful walnut finish. Each 36-inch shelf features unique wood grains and knots, making every piece one of a kind. The front lip and shallow groove design keep your items secure and prevent slipping or falling. Built with sturdy mortise and tenon joints, these shelves support up to 40 pounds for all your favorite decor. Pre-drilled holes spaced 16 inches apart align perfectly, with wall studs for easy, stable installation. The package includes all mounting hardware and clear instructions, making setup quick and hassle-free. Elevate your space with these elegant, durable shelves that blend style and function perfectly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.